How to connect hosting or domain to Vercel. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect hosting or domain to Vercel. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Hostinger and Vercel, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Vercel, it is a leading American cloud-based platform as a service company, which is renowned for maintaining the next development framework. And Vercel specializes in providing tools and infrastructure that enable developers to create high-performance, user-centric web applications effortlessly. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the sign up button on the top right corner. And after signing in, you will now be able to be directed on this page. And from here, the next thing that you need to do is to simply choose a templates that you can start deploying, or the Vercel templates page in here, in which it will show you a variety of templates to choose from, in which these templates cater to various use cases, including that Next.js application, SAS products, blogs, and AI applications in here. And after that, as you can see, I've now created or deploy another template. By clicking on it, we will be able to be directed on this page. And from here, to start adding a domain, just click the domains button on the top right corner or a domain button in here. And by clicking on it, we'll automatically be directed under this settings section. And under the search bar in here under domains, the next thing that we need to do is to simply connect our Hostinger domain. So just go to your Hostinger account. But before that, if you don't know what is this platform, it is a prominent web hosting company offering a free hosting services through its subsidiary WebHost. And the company rebranded and has since expanded its offering, include a variety of hosting solutions such as shared hosting, cloud hosting, VPS hosting, managed WordPress hosting, and many more, in which its services are powered and provides a user-friendly control panel called each panel for easy management of hosting accounts. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the login button or the sign in button on the top right corner. After signing in, you will be able to be directed on this homepage. And now to proceed, click these domains and click the domain portfolio button. By simply clicking on it, it will show us in here all of our domain, but just proceed by simply clicking your hosting or domain that you want to add to Vercel. So let's say I'm going to click this one, and after clicking on it, it will show you on the top panel in here your domain. So copy this one, and after copying it, just proceed by simply going back to our Vercel account, and below here under this search bar, kindly paste on it and click this add button. After that, on this pop-up window, it will show in here the option, but just proceed by clicking this recommended one, and after choosing this, just click the add button below to proceed. Now moving on, after doing that, the next thing that we need to do is to simply choose either a record which is recommended in here. However, it depends on your provider and it may take some time for the DNS records to apply. And at this point, I'm going to choose this name servers, and below it will show us that we can click this enable Vercel DNS to use Vercel DNS enable Vercel DNS rather than choosing the other one which is a record that is recommended. By clicking this enable button, from here it will show us our current name servers and also to set the name servers in our Hostinger. So basically, we're going to change our name servers in our Hostinger. So just go back to your Hostinger account in here and click this DNS or name servers button on the left side panel. And below, just simply click this change name servers button. And it will show you the two options. But just click change name servers. And it will show us our current name servers in here that we can simply customize by highlighting it and simply paste this one in our Vercel. So go back to this page and paste the first one, and again go back again in this Vercel account and copy this one and paste the second one in here. And after doing so, just click the save button below to proceed. And after that, you'll now be able to see here that Hostinger or our saver has now been changed. So all you need to do is wait for it for at least 24 hours for the domain to change and the name servers. So basically, all you need to do is wait for it to load, and after that, you'll be able to see here, if you refresh, that you have now successfully add a domains or connect your Hostinger domain to Vercel, in which it is important to developers and businesses looking to optimize their web presence. So basically, connecting a Hostinger domain to Vercel enables users to harness the strengths of both platforms, optimizing their web applications for performance, security, and ease of use. So overall, that is just basically how you can connect hosting your domain to Vercel. Thank you.